Hello everyone, hello crafters. Sometimes healing does not begin with big changes. Sometimes healing begins with the small things, a small pebble, a piece of jute rope, a little glue, and a quiet moment with your thoughts. In today's busy world, many people are creating stress, anxiety, sadness, and emotional exhaustion. Life moves fast, responsibilities grow heavier, and the mind rarely gets a chance to rest. But creativity has a special power. Crafting with natural materials like pebbles, stones, jute rope, wood, and recycled items can become more than just decoration. It can become therapy for the heart and mind. Pebble craft is beautiful because every stone is unique. No two pebbles are exactly the same. Some are rough, some are smooth, some are broken at the edges. And honestly, people are like that too. Yet, when these small imperfect stones are arranged together, they create something meaningful and beautiful. This is the magic of pebble art. A simple pebble family frame, a stone flower designs, handmade wall hanging or a handmade wall hanging carry emotions, memories, and peace. Many more you can hang it. While creating pebble craft, the mind slowly becomes calm. You can add fairy lights, the hand stay busy, and negative thoughts become quieter. Many people say crafting helps reduce stress and overthinking because creativity gives a brain healthy escape. Even sitting quietly and choosing pebbles by shape and color can feel relaxing, and when natural dewdrop is added to a design, it creates warmth, softness, and a rustic, peaceful feeling. Jute craft has its own beauty. Its earthy texture reminds beautiful of simplicity, nature, and handmade love. Unlike machine-made decoration, handmade crafts carry emotion. Every node in the rope, every carefully placed pebble, every tiny detail reflects patience and creativity, and the process itself can heal the mind. Sometimes people think art is only for talented artists, but crafting is not about perfection. It is about expression, it is about giving yourself permission to slow down and create something with love. In difficult times, creative hobbies can become emotional support. When the mind feels tired, crafting can create moment of peace. When someone feels emotionally overwhelmed, even a small DIY project can bring comfort and satisfaction. That's why many people today are turning toward handmade crafts, nature-inspired decor, and slow decorative hobbies, not only for decorations but for emotional wellness. Pebble and jute crafts also help people reconnect with nature. Natural colors, wooden textures, stones, rope, and early materials create a calming atmosphere inside the home. A peaceful environment can affect mood in positive ways. Soft handmade decorations often make a room feel warmer, more personal, and emotionally comforting. And there is another beautiful thing about crafting. It teaches patience in a world where everything moves quickly. Handmade art reminds us to slow down, to focus, to breathe, to create gently. Even mistakes become part of the beauty. Sometimes a broken pebble creates the best designs. Sometimes an uneven rope knot adds character to the artwork. And maybe life is simple.